This is a great exercise that works on cheek areas and on the contour on the face. So basically you smile and you put your lips under your teeth like this, and then you try to lift up your cheeks the way how the main muscle, zygomaticus muscle major going off like this. Just raise it this direction. So, and do it, start with just a few times, maybe do it 10-15 times, and you can expand that to maybe 25-40 times and maybe even 100 times, depending how ready you are for this. You may have some wrinkles forming over here like I do, over here. And in order to prevent this, you can hold it with your hands like this. Some people have difficulties to lift up it like this. Just start slowly. If one of the sides, like this, my side works worse than this side. So I'm trying to work more on this side, and I'm sometimes, like at first I was just holding it with one finger and trying to direct it upward so it gets used to the movement. Then you can do both sides together. This is a good exercise to do it either every other day or every day, because that helps to build muscles over here that hold all of the muscles of the face in general. And of course, like all facial exercises, you have to do it in a complex, not just one side, but you have to do it overall. I'm just talking about this particular exercise.